In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create curved text in Polotno Studio. If you've ever wanted your headline to follow a smooth arc around a logo or wrap neatly over a photo, this quick workflow will get you there in minutes. First, open a browser and go to studio.polotno.com. Once it loads, you can start fresh with a new design, open something you've already been working on, or jump in with a ready-made template. Templates are great if you want a layout that's already balanced. A blank project gives you the most freedom. Either way works perfectly for this technique. Next, click your text box on the canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding handles around the text. If your design includes multiple text layers, make sure you click the one you want to curve so you're editing the correct element. With the text selected, look for the Effects options and click Effects. This opens a set of visual controls that change how your text looks without altering the actual words. In that panel, choose Curve Text. Instantly, your letters will bend along a path. Now adjust the power of the curvature. A small amount creates a gentle arc that looks natural for longer headlines, while a stronger value produces a dramatic curve that's great for badges, stickers, and circular logos. Dragging the control in the opposite direction flips the arc, so you can curve text upward or downward depending on your design. As you tweak the curvature, keep an eye on spacing and legibility. Shorter phrases and bold, clean fonts usually handle tighter curves better than long sentences or very thin type. If the curve makes the text look crowded, try easing back the curvature until the letter shapes breathe again. Aligning the text to the center often helps it sit nicely on the arc. Also consider the context. A subtle curve can feel polished on a minimalist poster, while a stronger bend can add energy to a playful social graphic. That's all there is to it. Go to Polotno Studio, open a project or template, select your text, click Effects, enable Curved Text, and fine-tune the power until it looks just right. Once it looks right, continue designing with confidence, knowing you can return to effects at any time to refine the curve as your layout evolves. With a few thoughtful adjustments, curved text can make your design more dynamic while still staying clear and readable.